Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some dog food. Frozen part over there, Jeff. Oh, is it this what you saw? Pepsi for $1. $7 a carton. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah. That's pretty choice.
It's 2 litres as well.
Was in that shop. It's absolutely fantastic.
10 tops.
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, what's Jeff spotted over there? Oh. 3 for $5.
That's essentials.
Yeah. Yeah, two $5, and then you got your pasta over there.
It's only $2.50.
Yeah. Oh, and you've got your sauces here, sweet and chili.